Good day, sir. Today, we will discuss the ship to take in case of ship damage, the action to regain stability, and how to check if the action are effective. Ship damage may happen because of collision, grounding, bad weather, or flooding. Immediate and proper action is important to keep the ship and crew safe. First, assess the damage. The first step is to check the damaged area. The crew should find out if there is flooding, fire, cracks, or damage to cargo spaces. The captain and officers must quickly gather information about the condition of the ship. Importante nga mahibal-an dayon kung unsa kagrabe ang damage sa barko aron makabuhat og sakto nga aksyon. Second, sound the alarm and inform the crew. The general alarm should be sounded to alert everyone on board. Crew members must go their emergencies station and follow instruction from the officers. The crew kinahanglang magtinabangay og dili magpanik.
Third, control flooding or damage. If water enters the ship, the crew should close watertight doors and use pumps to remove water. Temporary repairs like patching holes may also be done to reduce flooding. Kinahanglang mapugngan ang pagsulod sa tubig aron dili mulubog ang barko. Next is fourth, regain stability of the ship. To make the ship stable again, the crew may transfer ballast water, shift cargo carefully, remove excess water, reduce free surface effect. These actions help balance the ship and prevent capsizing. Ang pagbalhin sa ballast o cargo makatabang arong mutarong balik ang barko.
5. Counter-check the effectiveness. After taking action, the officer must monitor the ship carefully. They should check the angle of thrust or tilt, water level inside compartment, stability conditions, ship movements. If the conditions improve, the action are effective. If not, additional action are needed. Kinahanglang pirmi bantayan kung niayo ba ang kahimtang sa barko. In conclusion, proper response during ship damage is very important. Quick assessment, teamwork, controlling, floating, and regaining stability can help save lives and protect the ships. Always stay calm, follow safety procedures, and work together during emergency. Thank you for listening. We hope you learn this proper step to take in case of ship damage.